Oh, good morning, everybody. My truck almost didn't start this morning. It's in the brake system on my truck, and it kept making a weird noise. And my brakes were real tight. I'm tightening them up to get my tires checked anyway, so they're an oil change mean too. So I had to give them check that out on my truck there. I thought I was gonna have to get a tow truck to take it up there. I loaded all the tires in the rain there. I was gonna move the truck closer, but it wouldn't start, so I'm just gonna leave it running when I take Georgia to school, and once I get it up there, it should be all good. Old T-Bird, guys. We made her through, though. Old T-Birds.